Alright, so today we're going to do this mid-entry on this 864 ribbon cable. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and ring it. This is an armored cable, so this is way easier than doing a non-armored cable because you can feel the armor and that's where you stop. So I'm going to do a horizontal slice, and I can push pretty hard because I can feel the armor cable, So the first thing you're going to do is just take off the jacket, come down here, do another ring. Now, on this thick cable, sometimes it's hard to flex that out, so she is being a bugger. Let's give her another ring. Like I said, this is an armored cable, so I don't have to be nearly as careful. Oh, there we go. So now I can see that armor. Come in here on my slit, open that up real good. Just take your knife and peel that away. Now you can see here that it's exposed. Start peeling that back. Boom. So next thing you're going to do, real careful, just start prying this edge up here a little bit. Now if you're going to ground it, leave a little armor there for your ground. You want to cut this one right next to your ring mark, so that way your rope or your string can go through it easy. Bam, just like that. Grab your string. Get an easy start in there. Pull it down there. So when I do my snips, I go through the hole, grab the string, wrap it around my string that I'm holding a couple of times just to get this first initial start going. And you pull it. So let's go through that one more time. Through the hole, grab the string, wrap it around so then it clenches onto the string that you're holding with your finger. The tighter you pull, the harder it pulls on that string. Alright, now let's show you guys the easy pull method. So what I do, I take the string, put it through my snips like this. I go one way this way and one way that way. It makes a figure 8 on my snips. Take the tail, tie it off onto my fingers, and you can go like this. You pull, and then you grab it, pull your slack up, tie it off to your finger, and pull. And there you go, guys. Mid-entry on an 864.